In this tutorial, I will guide you through the process of installing VMware Tools on a Windows 11 25H2 virtual machine using VMware Workstation 17. Before we begin, let me briefly introduce my channel. It's all about practical tech solutions, system setups, and troubleshooting guides designed to help users get the most out of their systems with ease and clarity. I have already installed Windows 11 25H2 in VMware Workstation. However, a common issue arises when attempting to install VMware Tools directly from the VMware Workstation menu. The error message displayed says, "The update server could not be resolved. Check your internet settings or contact your system administrator." In this video, I'll show you the simple workaround to fix this problem and install VMware Tools correctly. First, open your internet browser and visit the link I'll show on the screen. From there, download the latest available VMware Tools ISO installer image. The download should complete quickly. Once it's finished, mount the ISO using Windows Explorer. Then run the setup file and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. During the process, your screen might blink a few times. Don't worry, that's completely normal. After the installation is complete, you'll be able to adjust your screen resolution, enable full screen mode, and enjoy a smoother overall performance of your Windows 11 virtual machine. This ensures your VM runs at its full potential with all necessary integrations and drivers in place. That's all for this tutorial. I hope this guide helps you resolve the VMware Tools installation issue and enhance your virtual machine experience. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials.